welcome back to the channel. First put a video of the year. I mean, I've been putting a few shorts up, but yeah, river season opened about 2-3 days ago. Been working. I've just finished a night shift, so I took my fishing gear to work with me. I'm going to go down to, I think I might go to the Swale, see how I feel when I'm on the 19. See if I can be bothered driving any further. If I can, I might have a move down to East State maybe, don't know. We'll see where the tyres take us, eh? Right, I'll get back to you when I'm somewhere near. Oh yeah! Right, I've come to Top Cliff. The car's locked. Yeah, it's all locked up. As you can see, it looks like untouched ground this season. I can't see any track marks through this grass, so could potentially be the only, well, first person to be fishing this side. God, it's absolutely roasting. It's only 6:30. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I'm down at the where the magic happens. Cheers. A little go around here. Only left my phone in the car, haven't I? Oh, I'll go back and get that, but yeah, we'll have a look around here. Every time I've come this side, there's always it's always been full. I don't know if it'll go up here. Drop down on the little ledge, but I'm looking up there. Oh yeah. That's a nice little bit down there. Like that. Top Cliff Weir. First time I've seen it so low. Lovely that. Right. I'll get back to you. Probably go the other side where I was. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Both rods out now. Sat up down here. Absolutely glorious weather. Yeah, that's where I am. Well, let's see if I can get it. I'll be happy with a chub, to be fair. Any fish for my first river fish of the season will do the job. Yeah, I'll get back to you hopefully when I've got a fishy on. In a bit, kid. Yeah, so I've had a move of swims, so I'm just over here now. Absolutely glorious. Comes out with me. Nice. Got a bit of a little feeder. And there, so it doesn't get tangled. I don't know, here we go, right. Stick it over there in the trees. See if anything comes of it. Do that there. Do nicely. Right, we're in. What do you get then? Right, this must be the first barbel of the session. Get it away from them trees. Come on. Set my feet, but it's dead deep. I need to be careful. There's quite a few rocks down here. It's got to be a barbel, this. Oh, it's a little barbel. Happy dingleberries. It's only small, but it's fighting like. Get in there. Yay! There you go. First barbel. Right, I'll get this sorted. I'll get back to you. Right, so the move worked out well. First season barbel, it's only a babby, but all welcomed. Angry barbel, lovely barbel. There you go. Right, so I've done about 5-10 minutes rest, especially in this weather. Let him get his breath back. You see he's going to start fighting in a minute to go. Keep him sat there. Keep him up, give him a bit of support. There's no rush, especially this hot weather. He needs to get his breath back.
this helmet long. There you go. Gone back healthy. Happy dingleberries for me. Yes, in again. Look at that fucking bush. Yes, get in there, my son. That's with really good glasses. Right. Get down here. Oh. Right. So, I think it's a barbel. Yes. Another little barbel. Current doesn't help me. There it is. Little barberoony. Oh, doesn't like that net. It's not ready yet, so you don't want to rip the lips off it. No, still not ready. Oh, get in there. Get in. Oh. Right. Well, I'll get back to you when I break the fish up. Right, second barbel of the session. So, grab my pellet off. Cheers. Yeah, so, second barbel of the session. Stay with me. Here we go. barbel. There you go. It's the babby again. There you go. Fish. There you go.
Right, so that's me. That's only one rod out now. I think I'm going to just leave it now and really get packed away. Getting shattered now. Go and have a shower, get myself ready for work. I'll get back here if I get anything else. Ciao for now. Whoa. Beautiful, isn't it? Right, that's me done for the day. Go home, get myself sorted. It's currently about, I think it's about 12:15, half 12ish. Yeah, had a good day, a couple of barbel. Kick my little season off ready. Hopefully there's many more come. I've got to go into the Collingham Muir in a few weeks, that should be good. Hopefully I'll get my PB barbel there. I'm going with a couple of old boys. They should show me the ropes. Anyway, peace out to all. Night night. I'm going to say thanks again for all my subscribers, new and old. Yeah, I'll see you next time. See you later on.